Learn a new language to connect with the non-English speakers in your life or to understand the lyrics of your favorite K-pop song with Rosetta Stone, the most trusted language learning program. Rosetta Stone is available on desktop and can also be used as an app on your phone or tablet instead of memorizing vocab words. Rosetta Stone teaches through immersion, like I did when I went to Russia. This is exactly what I did, immersion. It is the easiest way to learn a language, and I'm telling you, I love Rosetta Stone. You can choose from 25 languages, including Spanish, French, Dutch, and Arabic, and it's used by millions because it works. And Tom and I did this. Isla and I did this.